Fighter jets scrambled to escort a passenger plane to land in the UK after an incident on board prompted a pilot to divert the flight. It started when a passenger reportedly began shouting on the Pakistani National Airlines plane. Initial reports suggest this wasn't a terrorist threat, but the Telegraph says 2 men were arrested on suspicion of endangerment of an aircraft. Despite those early reports, Pakistan's GOTV cites sources from the airline who say 2 men allegedly threatened to bomb the plane. According to The Guardian, the UK's Ministry of Defense confirmed the jets were scrambled to, quote, investigate an incident involving a civilian aircraft. This practice of scrambling jets dates back to the Cold War, but it's seen an uptick in recent years.
How often are jets like this actually scrambled here in the UK?
But it's a fairly routine thing. I mean, since 9/11, they've been scrambled well over 200 times.
That routine response happens fast, and that's by design.
What's interesting here is the ability of the forces very quickly to scramble the necessary firepower and air power into the sky to bring that plane down.
The plane reportedly had 297 passengers on board. It was diverted to Stansted Airport, where Sky News says operations continued as normal. Earlier today, a different passenger plane made an emergency landing at London's Heathrow Airport after smoke was seen coming from it. The 2 incidents aren't said to be related. For Newsy, I'm Nathan Byrne.